Stand tall with arms extended straight out to the sides. Lift one heel up toward your glutes while balancing on the other leg. Bring your hands back to the center to clap in front of your chest. Open your arms out again, lower your foot, and repeat on the other side. Stand tall with your feet shoulder width apart and one arm raised overhead and other at the back. Bend your knees slightly as you reach the raised arm up, stretching your side body. Return to standing and switch arms, lifting the other arm overhead. Continue alternating sides, moving smoothly while keeping your chest lifted and core engaged. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Step one leg out to the side while keeping your arms extended. Return your leg and arms to the center. Repeat the movement by stepping the other leg out to the side and extending your arms again. Step one leg out to the side while making fists with your hands, opening your bent elbows to the sides. Return to the center, then repeat the movement with the other leg, stepping it out to the side while opening your hands again. Start by standing tall with your arms raised overhead, palms together. Lower into a horse stance, wide squat, while crossing your arms in front of your chest, bringing your hands to your shoulders. Return to standing with arms overhead, then lower back into the horse stance, crossing your arms again. Repeat the movement while keeping your posture strong and knees bent in the squat. Stand tall with arms extended straight out to the sides. Lift one heel up toward your glutes while balancing on the other leg. Bring your hands back to the center to clap in front of your chest. Open your arms out again, lower your foot, and repeat on the other side. Stand tall with feet shoulder width apart and arms extended straight in front at shoulder height. Open your arms and bend your knees slightly as one hand reaches to touch the opposite shoulder in front, while the other hand reaches to the back. Return your arms to the front and straighten your legs to come back to the starting position. Perform all reps on one side first, then switch arm positions and repeat on the other side, moving slowly and with control. Stand with feet hip-width apart and arms relaxed by your sides. Lift one shoulder up toward your ear while slightly bending your elbow. Roll the shoulder back and down in a smooth circular motion. Lower it and repeat on the other side, alternating left and right.
Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart and your fists over your head. Step one foot back lightly while pulling both fists down toward your hips. Return to center with your fists back up. Switch sides and repeat. Stand tall with your feet together and your arms stretched overhead, palms together. Bounce lightly in place while keeping your arms reaching up. Stay tall through your body and keep your core tight. Land softly and repeat on the other side.